Microsoft Azure AZ-104 Certification Dumps. Question number 9. You have an Azure Active Directory tenant named Adatum and an Azure Subscription named Subscription 1. Adatum contains a group named Developers. Subscription 1 contains a resource group named Dev. You need to provide the developers group with the ability to create Azure Logic apps in the Dev resource group. Solution: on Dev, you assign the Logic app contributor role to the developers group. Does this meet the goal? Option A, yes. Option B, no. And the correct answer is option A, yes. Explanation: the Logic app contributor role lets you manage Logic app but not access to them. It provides access to view, edit, and update a Logic app. To learn Azure in detail, please click on the given link below. And for more dumps, like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.